After 1 month and 8 days of infusing 12 Ayurvedic herbs, the moment is finally here. Hey bloomer, welcome back. If you're new here, you are in the right place for natural hair remedies, DIYs for length retention and healthier hair. Basically everything for your typhosi hair. Let's get right into it. You saw me mix it and you saw me store it, but now my 12 herb Ayurvedic hair growth oil is finally ready and it turned out so rich and beautiful. I can't wait to show you. This blend includes 12 powerful herbs from Chebe, Amla to Fenugreek, Henna and Alfalfa leaves infused into lightweight oils like argan oil, almond oil, and other lightweight oils for low porosity hair. Best for low porosity hair. And if you're curious to see how I measured each herb and matched their properties for the perfect result, the video is right here on the screen. It's linked up there. Before I strain, you can see I folded my cheesecloth into 4 layers. That helps catch and reduce as many particles as possible, so they don't end up in the oil and cause buildup later. I also used a stainless steel plate instead of plastic. You can use glass too, but never a plastic plate. I infused it for a month and 8 days, and each week it got darker and more golden. Honestly, I didn't even know how it would turn out, but when I opened it today, I was shocked at how rich and glossy it looked. I made sure I squeeze it all out. We are not leaving anyone. We are not going to waste this goodness. Everything here must surely come out. So this is what we have left looks like. We are not going to trash this one. Look at this color, guys. So deep, glossy and full of life. That means the herbs really released their nutrients into the oil. I think the Chebe had a lot to do with it. It's naturally dark and rich in strengthening properties, but I will break it down why it turned out this way in my next video. And for the final touch, I added just a few drops of essential oils like peppermint and tea tree. You don't need much, just a few drops or about 1 or 2 bottle cap is perfect. This helps reduce that strong earthly herbal scent. What I like to call it is conch smell, and it adds its own amazing benefits. Peppermint oil helps stimulate blood circulation on the scalp, which can encourage hair growth, and it gives you that cooling, refreshing feel, you know, right? Then tea tree oil, on the other hand, helps keep your scalp clean and healthy by fighting dandruff and buildup. So together they'll make your oil not only smell better but work even better. And if you don't like greasy oils, this one is for you. It's a very lightweight blend that melts right into your scalp and skin. No buildup, no heaviness, just pure nourishment. I'm so proud of how this turned out. The color, the texture, and that smooth finish. The next step is texting it on my 4C hair. So make sure you subscribe and turn on notification because that video is coming up next. Hey bloomer, thank you so much for staying up to this point. I truly appreciate. I hope to see you in my next video. Ciao.